Hello, welcome to Regulatory Affairs 101. I am Nancy. Today, we are breaking down post-authorization safety studies or PASS and how they strengthen medicine safety in the EU. Let's get right into it. A post-authorization safety study is any study conducted after a medicine receives marketing authorization. Its purpose is simple: to gather additional safety information or to measure how effective risk minimization measures really are. PASS can be interventional, meaning they are run as clinical trials, or non-interventional, using real-world data from routine clinical care. And when a PASS is imposed, the PRAC, that's the Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee, is responsible for reviewing the protocol and assessing the results. So why conduct a PASS? They help regulators and companies identify, categorize, or quantify safety hazards, confirm the safety profile of a medicine, and evaluate whether risk minimization measures are actually working. In other words, PASS help ensure that what we think we know about a medicine's safety continues to hold true in the real world. PASS can be obligatory, meaning imposed by regulators, or voluntary, initiated by the marketing authorization holder. Interventional PASS are conducted as clinical trials under EU clinical trials legislation. Non-interventional PASS include data research or retrospective reviews, prospective observational studies, and registries that collect data from routine clinical practice. These designs allow regulators to monitor safety without disrupting real-world treatment patterns. EMA classifies non-interventional PASS into 4 categories. Category 1, imposed as a condition of the marketing authorization. Category 2, a specific obligation under conditional approval or exceptional circumstances. Category 3, non-imposed PASS included in the Risk Management Plan, RMP. Category 4, other non-interventional PASS not covered by the first 3 categories. These categories help regulators prioritize oversight and transparency. In post-PASS, categories 1 and 2 are required when PRAC needs more data on identified risks, potential risks, or missing information. Examples include long-term safety follow-up for high-risk therapies or pregnancy exposure registries. Voluntary or RMP-driven PASS, categories 3 and 4 are sponsor-initiated. They support RMP updates and help evaluate real-world use, adherence, and off-label patterns. Here's a simplified way to think about PASS. Is there an identified risk, potential risk, or missing information? If yes, consider a PASS. Do we need more data to characterize the risk or assess risk minimization effectiveness? If yes, choose interventional or non-interventional design. Is the PASS imposed by PRAC? Yes, category 1 or 2. No, category 3 or 4. Is it included in the RMP? Yes, Category 3. No, Category 4. The PRAC workflow for PASS is structured and transparent. Submission of the PASS protocol, PRAC assessment, requests for modifications if needed, final protocol endorsement, study conduct, submission of final study results, and PRAC's final assessment, which may lead to label updates, RPM updates, and additional measures. PASS play a central role in the risk management plan. They help address missing information, potential or identified risks, and the effectiveness of risk minimization measures. And importantly, PASS results can trigger updates to the RMP or additional pharmacovigilance activities. PASS must be registered in publicly accessible databases. Non-interventional PASS, especially in post ones, are listed in the EU PAS register. Interventional PASS are registered in EudraCT or CTIS and may also appear on clinicaltrials.gov. This ensures transparency and public access to protocols and results. All right, let's do a quick knowledge check to make sure the concept of non-interventional PASS is clear. Here's the question. Which of the following is considered a non-interventional PASS? A. Randomized controlled trial. B. Prospective observational registry. C. Bioequivalence study. D. Dose escalation trial. The correct answer is B. A prospective observational registry. This is because registries collect real-world data from routine clinical practice without assigning treatments, which makes them non-interventional under EMA definitions. Options A, C, and D all involve interventional study designs where treatment is assigned or modified as part of the protocol, so they do not qualify as non-interventional PASS. Thanks for watching. If you like the content of this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Have a wonderful day.